iPhone 15 Pro Max 25 settings that you need to change immediately. So let's just get started. So the first few settings are obviously going to be in camera, so simply head over to your settings, and now we need to scroll a little bit down, and here you will be able to search for camera. Alright, here, so make sure that you just adjust few settings from here, like for example you have your camera settings, make sure to set it to 4K and make sure to record stereo sound is on. After that, make sure that the scan QR codes is turned on, and if it is by default turned off, make sure that it's turned on. So, and after that you can see you have your show detected text, and then you have your mirror front camera, and then your outside frame and stuff like that. And below you can see a few other settings that you need to change. So 9 to 10 settings are which you need to change from camera, and then you need to head over to your Play Store, so App Store, I'm sorry, yeah. So in your App Store you will be able to see that every time you just try to download an app, it will be asking you for a permission. So to turn it off, you simply need to head over to your settings again, and in your settings you need to head over to your profile, and from there scroll a little bit down, and you can see we have this option of media purchases. Head over to this and simply click on password settings, and here make sure that free downloads is turned off. So you can see the required password is currently turned off. Make sure to keep it as well, so you do not have to just again and again enter your password. Now let's just head back, and then what we need to do is simply head over to our screen time, and from there scroll a little bit down, and here you will be able to see that we have this option of content and privacy restrictions. Head over to this, head over to iTunes and app purchases, and in here you can see I'm currently set to require password, don't require, and set that. So yeah, and then what you need to do is simply search for haptic sound and haptics, and if you are just annoyed by the weird vibrations by iPhone, you can simply head over to haptics, and from here you can simply select to never play, and your iPhone will be behaving like normal phone. So yeah, and after that, if you want to create a contact card in your for your contacts, simply head over to your contacts and you can create a contact card so it looks good as well. And last but not least, what we need to do is simply you have this option of bring devices closer. So if you just want to turn this off because you are holding maybe two phones, it can somewhat automatically share your contact. So if you do not want to do that, simply turn this bringing your device together turned off, and it will be turned off. So yeah, so these were some settings that you need to change on your iPhone immediately, and I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next video.